First, Bob Carr. Now, Peter Beattie. Will Steve Brax join the never-ending conga line of ex-Labour premiers getting back into the political fold?
Also, both major parties outlined their financial packages to breathe new life into the struggling VHS industry.
Good evening and welcome to Law 24, where we bring you hourly updates by the minute. I'm Annabel Wilson.
And I'm a recovering alcoholic, Tim Cornerstone. Tonight, germs. Lots of them. Our scientific tests in shopping centres reveal that they're on every surface. None of them are dangerous, but there are just so many of them. Literally billions.
But first, here's Brad with the weather report.
Thanks for that, Annabel. And St. Lucia is expecting some sun. I too am expecting a son. There goes my legal career. There are reports that the UQ Med School has experienced a cold snap, causing widespread shrinkage. No, there has been no cold snap, just unrelated shrinkage. And we're forecasting moderate showers of vomit and heavy downpours of tears in the halls of Forgan Smith as the UQ law students enter their examination season. That's all the weather. I've been Brad.
And now for our top story. Homosexual cats.
First gay people impertinently demanded the right to marry, now cats too want to prowl down the aisle. A growing movement claims that marriage is a civil right, and one that should not be restricted to heterosexual human beings. Meanwhile, new research shows that kittens of gay cats can jump even further than those from straight feline households. Jason Schwartz brings you the story.
Fudge and Elmo have been together for the past 8 years.
They're inseparable. I've had cats my whole life, but these two? There's a bond.
Now they want the right to marry.
Yeah, I thought it was unnatural at first. I thought, well, what's wrong with a de facto relationship? But I've come to understand that marriage really does mean something more, especially for cats.
Elmo and Fudge are among thousands of Australian cats pushing for what they call a basic feline right. Cats in same-sex partnerships already receive equal benefits under the law, but for gay cats, that's not good enough.
They don't have a voice? I need to be their voice.
Homosexual cats face significant opposition from sectors in the community, including churches. Father Brian O'Driscoll says that aggressive fringe groups can't simply redefine marriage to suit their Marxist agendas.
I just don't understand where they're coming from. You know, it's not that I've got anything against gay cats. It's just that we don't even let straight cats marry.
Father O'Driscoll says that comments he made in the media describing gay cats as superficial and cruel were meant to apply to all cats.
They're just in it for themselves.
A domestic cat researcher at the University of Queensland, Margot Cotton-Smith, has tested thousands of cats over the past 3 years in what is the first major study of cat sexuality and fitness.
The stereotype that you need both cat mother and cat father to develop those basic skills like jumping and catching birds, it's really just that, a stereotype.
The Cotton-Smith study shows that kittens from gay households consistently outperform those from straight households.
We're not really sure why that is, but a few $1 million in government funding could definitely help us to explore those issues further in the coming years.
For now, Sandra Braeskirtle takes things day by day.
Gonna get married. They are so brave. They don't complain.
What would it mean to you if your cats could finally marry?
If I could marry my cats, that would be it. We would be home then. I mean, if my cats could marry each other.
Until then, cats like Elmo and Fudge will remain in the shadow of society's bourgeois morality. Jason Schwartz, Law 24.
That was a good ending line. This paper has nothing written on it. We'll be back after the break. Gay cats, especially.